Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be creating press-on nails. I'm gonna be using these nail tips from Model Ones. They sent me these ones. These ones are half cover and they're made of gel. There are 12 different sizes in here. Since I have my allergic reaction to nail products, I haven't been able to really do much videos because I have to be very careful. Even wearing gloves, I have to be extra careful not to get in contact with nail products again. And as you can see here, these ones are really good for creating a C curve. You can see here how nice it is. I receive as well these ones, almond shape as well, they're made of gel, and an acetone that is to remove acrylic, gels, regular polish. I do like the ingredients. It looks like it's gonna be more gentle than regular acetone. And for the nail tips, I'm gonna prep them with acetone just to etch the nails a little bit so the nail polish attaches easier. But you can do this as well with a buffer. Next, I'm gonna do base gel and cure this for about 60 seconds. After getting an allergic reaction to nail products, I now cure everything for 60 seconds minimum. And I changed my lamp as well to a 48 watts lamp. I'm gonna be choosing one of these colors from Born Pretty to do the nails today. These ones are all cat eye, so you need a magnet to move the magnets inside the gel polish and create different designs. Okay, I decided which color I want to use, and I'm going to apply 2 layers of this gel polish and cure each layer for 60 seconds. I'm gonna be using a magnet that I have to create like an ombre, like in the middle of the nail, and I'm gonna be doing this for each of the layers. All the nails are painted now, and I'm going to apply some decoration here. I purchased these cute flowers on Shein, and this is the fastest way to create a design. Just applying some charms and rhinestones is way easier than painting by hand for sure. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to cure these nails again for another 60 seconds with the top coat. And this is how the design came out. I like it, it's really cute and very simple. I'm not crazy about having super busy nails. And right now I'm going to apply the nails with the sticky tabs. That's the only product that I can use currently to apply nails because of the allergies that I have. So when I'm doing this, I have to be extremely careful even when I'm done filming the video or working with the gel polishes. I clean everything, absolutely everything with alcohol, make sure that everything is clear and clean, that there is not uncured product around the glove or around the table, because I know the one single drop is gonna give me huge reaction on my nails and my fingers peeling off and itchy and everything else that comes with a nail allergy. So if I think that doing this channel for nail products and doing all this effort that I did for over 2 years, it's worth it? No, it's not worth it for the nail allergy reaction that I have now. No, it's not worth it at all, to be honest. So I'm learning to love my natural nails, and if I have to go to an event, for sure I can wear press-ons for one day with sticky tabs and I'll be fine with that. I'm more than happy to do that than having these horrible allergies. Extremely painful, extremely terrible, to be honest. Well, this is the final result that I did today with these cute nails. These products are beautiful. These gel polishes are beautiful from Born Pretty. Is no denying that. Thank you so much for watching and sharing some of your time with me for the past 2 years that I've been doing YouTube videos for my nail channel. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue uploading more videos because of the nail product allergies that I have. They're very severe. They're taking me a while to recover, and I don't know if I'm gonna continue. I do appreciate you. Thank you so much, and you have a nice day, and I wish you all the best.